One good reason to learn how to draw Toothless is that he's really great practice for drawing dragons with personality. That face with those eyes have a look that is all their own. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. The only supplies you need for this project are a sheet of drawing paper, a pencil, black marker, and some crayons. You can also find a link to a free step-by-step tutorial in the description below. As always, I'm going to work with center pencil guidelines on my paper. They're also on all my tutorials, and I feel they really help you use the entire sheet of paper when you draw. Let's begin by drawing a circle for Toothless's head. It's going to be this tall and this wide. After you've planned it, then connect your marks with a half circle on one side and a half circle on the other. I find this helps me draw circles when I do them in 2 steps. His eyes are made of 2 ovals that are lower on his face, and when you have those in place, then add the lines inside to show the dark circles. Now we can move on to drawing his ears. They're right above his head and kind of point towards each other and have rounded tops. Some kind of rounded horn shapes come next. Let's start with the 2 between the ears that kind of lean towards each other a bit. Then we can add 2 more horn shapes, 2 on one side of the head that are kind of pointing up, and a matching set of 2 on the other side. That head is now finished off with a few details down the center and a simple nose and smiling mouth. Now we can move on to drawing the arms. Start on one cheek and draw an arm shape that goes down and curves a bit towards the belly. After you have one arm drawn, then do your best to draw a matching one on the other side. Those hands need to have some claws added at the end. I have 3 pointy shapes like this on one side, and then I'll do the same on the other side. Now Toothless is sitting down, so we only see part of his legs. So draw a shape like this on one side, and then draw a matching shape on the other side. And those shapes are the bottom of his legs, so we need to add some claws on each one of them too. The wings now are going to go up this high, so let's make a mark and then draw down to the left and connect it to the back, and then go back up and draw a large curve down to the right. And when we get to the bottom there, then finish it off with a scallop line that comes back towards the body. When one side is done, we need to try to draw a matching wing on the other side. I'm drawing the big curved line down and the curved line that goes back to the body, and finishing with the scallop line on the bottom. Adding a few curved lines to those wings now will make them look much more realistic. So start drawing a set of lines that begin at the top and curve down towards one of the points. Make 3 curved lines like this on one side, and when that's done, then do your best to draw 3 matching curves on the other side. Now it's time to draw the tail that's coming out from the back. Let's begin with the main shape first. A kind of fan shape is added at the end of the tail, including a little mark on one side. And then I think I just overlooked drawing that belly line. I'm going to add my horizon line now, so it looks like Toothless is sitting on the ground. Okay, that's it for our pencil drawing. Now it's time to take that medium tip black marker and start going over all of those pencil lines. I recommend using that black marker to fill in those eyes so they are really black. Before we do any coloring, it's really smart to take an eraser and get rid of any pencil lines that are still showing. Toothless is pretty easy to color. He's all black, but do take care to fill in things really well. Do save one side of his tail to be filled in red and leave that little mark white. Finally, my grass is going to be green. And the sky, my favorite shade of light blue. So there's my finished drawing. I hope you like how yours turned out too, and that maybe drawing Toothless was a little easier than you thought it might be. If you check out my website, Art Projects for Kids, you'll find more cartoon drawing lessons, including one for Hiccup and one for Baby Yoda. Over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. If you're watching this on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. That way you get a notification whenever I post a new video.